In acceptance and commitment therapy, ACT, values are foundational elements that guide clients toward a meaningful life. Unlike goals, which are specific achievements, values are ongoing, dynamic directions in which we move to enrich our lives. This section explores why values are central to ACT and how understanding and clarifying values can profoundly impact therapeutic outcomes. Values in ACT are chosen qualities of purposive action that we commit to. They represent what is most important to us in life. These values serve as a compass that guides our decisions and actions, enabling us to live in alignment with what truly matters to us. They are not goals to be achieved, but rather directions to be followed regardless of the changing circumstances we face. Values provide the motivation to persist in difficult tasks and maintain behavioral changes. When clients understand and connect with their values, they are more likely to commit to actions that align with these values, even in the face of discomfort or challenges. Clarifying values helps clients make choices that align with their deeper desires and life aspirations, rather than being swayed by transient emotions or societal pressures. Values clarification is a key component of developing psychological flexibility, as it helps individuals to focus on long-term quality of life instead of short-term relief from discomfort. Engaging in value-directed actions consistently leads to increased feelings of purpose, fulfillment, and life satisfaction, as clients are living authentically in accordance with what they deem important. A common tool used in the values card sort involves a set of cards each describing a potential value, e.g., family, education, honesty. Clients sort these cards according to their personal importance, which helps them to articulate and prioritize their values. Therapists might ask clients to reflect on times when they felt most alive or fulfilled, and identify what values were being expressed in those moments. Clients are asked to imagine what they would like others to say about them at their funeral. This powerful exercise helps clients consider the long-term implications of living according to their values. Consider a client, Alex, who feels stuck in a high-paying job that leaves him feeling empty and unfulfilled. Through values clarification exercises like the values card sort and the eulogy exercise, Alex identifies community and creativity as core values that are currently underrepresented in his life. Guided by these insights, Alex and his therapist explore ways he can begin integrating these values into his daily activities, such as volunteering at a local nonprofit and joining a weekend art class. This shift not only enhances Alex's engagement with life, but also reduces the existential distress he experiences from living out of alignment with his core values. A structured values interview is a direct approach where the therapist asks a series of questions designed to probe deeper into the client's life motivations and aspirations. Questions might include, what kind of person do you want to be? What qualities do you admire in others? When do you feel most like yourself? These questions help clients reflect on their actions and choices to uncover underlying values that may not be immediately apparent. This method involves breaking down a person's life into several key domains, such as family, career, education, spirituality, community, and leisure. Clients assess each area to determine what's truly important to them in these aspects of their life. This breakdown can help clients see where they may be living in accordance with their values and where they are not, providing clear areas for focused change. Clients are guided to imagine themselves in the future, having lived a fulfilling and meaningful life. They visualize in detail what activities they are doing, who they are with, and how they feel. This exercise helps clients distill what values are guiding this ideal version of their life. By projecting themselves into a future where they are at their best, clients can more clearly see what values they need to act upon now. Therapists ask clients to describe their perfect day from the moment they wake up to when they go to bed. This narrative should include all aspects of their day, focusing on why each activity is enjoyable or meaningful. Analyzing this perfect day helps clients identify values that are expressed through these ideal activities, highlighting what brings them joy and fulfillment. This involves comparing clients' current daily activities with the values they've identified as important. Where discrepancies are large, clients can see where their life might feel off track. This analysis helps motivate changes and adjustments in behavior to better align daily living with expressed values. Let's revisit Alex, who discovered that community and creativity were his core values. His therapist might use the Life Areas worksheet to help him evaluate how much these values are currently expressed in his life. Discovering that his job provides little opportunity for community interaction or creativity, Alex decides to volunteer for community art projects, which aligns with both values. In summary, methods to identify and clarify values are critical in helping clients articulate what is most important to them. These values then become the guiding principles for therapeutic interventions and life choices, ensuring that clients lead authentically fulfilling lives aligned with their deepest desires and aspirations.
If you're finding this lesson valuable, you can take your expertise to the next level. Join over 27,000 students at the Institute of Professional Psychology and earn your professional certification in this field. Scan the QR code on your screen or click the link in the description to access the full curriculum, workbooks, and your accredited credential. Let's get back to the lesson.